The Constitution of India. Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hi children, welcome back. The future belongs to the curious. Curiosity is the very basis of education. So listen with curiosity, speak with honesty and act with integrity. In the previous class, we discussed about square completion method. Today, we will learn more about second degree equations. Shall we move on to the new topic? Next topic is two answers. Okay, so x square equal to 81. Okay, so x square equal to 81, x equal to square root of 81. Square root of 81 is plus or minus 9. Okay, so plus 9 into plus 9 which is equal to 81. Plus into plus, that is plus, so 81. Then minus 9 into minus 9, that also 81. Okay, so here we have the values for x is plus or minus 9. Okay, I will give you other example. X square equal to 49. Okay, so x equal to square root of 49. Square root of 49 is plus or minus 7. Okay, so plus 7 into plus 7 which is equal to 49 plus 49. Then minus 7 into minus 7 also 49. So x equal to plus or minus 7. So here the values for x is plus 7 and minus 7. Okay. Next problem. Find two numbers with sum 4 and product 2. Okay, so here we have to find out two numbers with sum 4. Sum എത്ര ആയിരിക്കണം? 4 ആയിരിക്കണം and product 2. Okay, so we have to take let one number equal to x. Okay, let one number equal to x. Okay, so the other number equal to this with sum 4. Okay, so the other number will be 4 minus x. Okay, so x plus 4 minus x, the sum will be 4. Okay, then so let one number equal to x, other number equal to 4 minus x. Then the product 2, their product x into 4 minus x equal to 2. X into 4 minus x equal to 2. Okay, then x into 4, that is 4x. X into minus x, that is minus x square equal to 2. Okay, 4x minus x square equal to 2. Okay, then we can rewrite minus x square, this minus x square, then plus 4x equal to 2. Okay, then we can change this minus x square into plus x square. Okay, so here this equation we can multiply with minus. Okay, so minus into minus x square plus 4x equal to minus into 2. Okay, so here it will be minus into minus plus x square minus into plus, that is minus 4x equal to minus 2. Okay, then how can we solve this equation? We have to take the square of half of the coefficient of x. Okay, so that is, here the coefficient of x is minus 4. So minus 4 by 2 whole square. That is minus 4 by 2. That is minus 2. Minus 2 square, which is equal to 4. Okay, അപ്പോൾ ഏതാണ് ആഡ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്? പ്ലസ് 4 ആണ് ആഡ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. 4 ആണ് ആഡ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. ഓക്കെ, സോ x square minus 4x plus 4. Then we have to balance these equations. We have to add 4 on both sides. Okay, so here it will be minus 2 plus 4. Okay, then x square minus 4x plus 4. This is the expansion of x minus 2 the whole square equal to minus 2 plus 4. Minus 2 plus 4 is 2. Okay, then x minus 2 equal to square root of 2. Okay, then x minus 2 equal to square root of 2 is, okay, then x minus 2 equal to plus root 2 and x minus 2 equal to minus root 2. Okay, so here we have two solutions, that is here x minus 2 equal to plus root 2 and x minus 2 equal to minus root 2. Okay, so x equal to minus 2 ആ സൈഡ് പോകുമ്പോൾ പ്ലസ് 2 ആകും അല്ലേ, 2 പ്ലസ് റൂട്ട് 2. ദെൻ എക്സ് ഈക്വൽ ടു 2 മൈനസ് റൂട്ട് 2. ഈ മൈനസ് 2 ആ സൈഡ് പോകുമ്പോൾ പ്ലസ് ആവും. അപ്പം എക്സ് മൈനസ് x equal to 2 minus root 2. Okay, so here we have x equal to 2 plus root 2 and 2 minus root 2. So these are the answers, or we can say these are the roots, okay, or solutions. Okay, x equal to 2 plus root 2 and x equal to 2 minus root 2. Okay, next problem is, the product of a number and 2 more than that is 168. What are the numbers? The product of a number and 2 more than that. ഒരു നമ്പറും ആ നമ്പറിൻ്റെ കൂടെ 2 ആഡ് ചെയ്തപ്പോഴും കിട്ടുന്ന നമ്പർ, ആ 2 നമ്പേഴ്സിൻ്റെയും പ്രോഡക്റ്റ് 168 ആണ്. അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ we have to find out that 2 numbers. Okay, so let the number equal to x. Let the number equal to x. Okay, then 2 more than that. 2 more than that. Okay, that will be x plus 2. Okay, then the product, their product. So x into x plus 2 equal to 168. Okay, x into x is x square plus x into 2 is 2x equal to 168. How can we solve this? Here we have to take the square of half of the coefficient of x. Here the coefficient of x is 2. About 2 by 2 whole square. That is 1. 1 square equal to 1. അപ്പോൾ എത്ര ആഡ് ചെയ്യണം? 1 ആഡ് ചെയ്യണം. That is x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 168 plus 1. Okay, then x square plus 2x plus 1, that is x plus 1 whole square equal to 169. Then x plus 1 equal to square root of 169. Square root of 169. So x plus 1 equal to plus or minus 13. Square root of 169 is plus or minus 13. Okay, so here we can write x plus 1 equal to 13. Plus 13. Edukka ആദ്യം. Then x plus 1 equal to minus 13. Okay, ഇപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ എങ്ങനെ എടുത്തു? x plus 1 equal to plus 13 and x plus 1 equal to minus 13. Okay, then x equal to 13 plus 1 change to that side, minus 1. So x equal to 12 and x plus 1 equal to minus 13. So x equal to minus 13 plus 1 change to that side, it is minus 1. So x equal to minus 14. Okay. So x in ഏതൊക്കെ values are കിട്ടിയത്? 12 minus 14. Okay. If x equal to 12, then 2 more than that. 2 more than that. എന്തായിരിക്കും? 2 more than that, that is 12 plus 2. 12 plus 2 which is equal to 14. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പോൾ എക്സിന് 12 ആകുമ്പോൾ 2 മോർ ദാൻ ദാറ്റ് എന്നുള്ള നമ്പർ എന്തായിരിക്കും? 14 ആയിരിക്കും. സോ 12 ഇൻറ്റു 14, 12 ഇൻറ്റു 14 is 168, 168. ഓക്കെ, ദെൻ എക്സ് ഈക്വൽ ടു മൈനസ് 14, എക്സ് ഈക്വൽ ടു മൈനസ് 14, 2 മോർ ദാൻ ദാറ്റ് എന്തായിരിക്കും വരിക? 2 മോർ ദാൻ ദാറ്റ് എന്നുള്ളത് എന്തായിരിക്കും? ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് മൈനസ് 14 പ്ലസ് 2. ഓക്കെ, സോ ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് മൈനസ് 12. മൈനസ് 12 അല്ലേ വരുന്നത്? അപ്പം എക്സ് ഈക്വൽ ടു മൈനസ് 14, ദെൻ 2 മോർ ദാൻ ദാറ്റ് എന്നുള്ളത് മൈനസ് 12 ആയിരിക്കും. അപ്പം മൈനസ് 14 ഇൻറ്റു മൈനസ് 12 എത്രയാ? പ്ലസ് 168. Okay, അപ്പം here we have x equal to 12 and x equal to minus 14 are the answers. Okay, next problem. A rod 28 centimeters long is to be bent to make a rectangle. The first sub question, can a rectangle of diagonal 8 centimeters be made? Then second sub question, can a rectangle of diagonal 10 centimeters be made? And third one, how about a rectangle of diagonal 14 centimeters? Calculate the length of the sides of the rectangles that can be made. Okay, so we can do one by one. Okay, a rod 28 centimeters long is to be bent to make a rectangle. അപ്പോൾ rod 28 centimeters long ആണ്. That means the perimeter of the rectangle equal to 28. Perimeter equal to 28 centimeter. Okay, then so perimeter of the rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth equal to 28. Okay, so length plus breadth equal to 28 divided by 2. Here this 2 change to that side, division. Okay, 28 by 2. Then L plus B equal to length plus breadth equal to 14. Length plus breadth equal to 14. Okay, then the first one is, can a rectangle of diagonal 8 centimeters be made? അപ്പോൾ 8 സെൻറ്റിമീറ്റേഴ്സ് ഡയഗണൽ എത്ര സെൻറ്റിമീറ്റർ ആയിരിക്കണം? 8 സെൻറ്റിമീറ്റർ ആയിരിക്കാൻ ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു റെക്റ്റാങ്കിൾ ഫോം ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുമോ എന്നുള്ളതാണ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. ഓക്കെ, സോ റെക്റ്റാങ്കിൾ ഹിയർ ലെറ്റ് ദ ലെങ്ത് ഓഫ് ദി റെക്റ്റാങ്കിൾ ഈക്വൽ ടു എക്സ്. Length of the rectangle equal to x and the breadth will be 14 minus x. Okay, length plus breadth equal to 14. So let length equal to x, breadth will be 14 minus x. Okay, so length equal to x and breadth equal to 14 minus x. Then the question is, can a rectangle of diagonal 8 centimeters be made? അതാണല്ലോ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ഇതിൻ്റെ ഡയഗണൽ 8 സെൻറ്റിമീറ്റർ ആയിട്ട് എടുക്കാം. ഓക്കെ, ദെൻ ഹിയർ വി ക്യാൻ യൂസ് പൈതഗോറസ് തിയറം. ഓക്കെ, ദെൻ ബേസ് സ്ക്വയർ പ്ലസ് ആൾട്ടിറ്റ്യൂഡ് സ്ക്വയർ ഈക്വൽ ടു ഹൈപ്പോട്ടനസ് സ്ക്വയർ. ഓക്കെ, ദെൻ എക്സ് സ്ക്വയർ പ്ലസ് 14 minus x the whole square equal to 8 square. Base square plus altitude square equal to hypotenuse square. Okay, then x square plus 14 minus x the whole square, that is a minus b whole square form. So what is a minus b whole square? That is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, here a and b are 14 and x. Okay, then x square plus 14 minus x the whole square, that is 14 square minus 2 into 14 into x plus x square. Okay, 14 square minus 2 into 14 into x plus x square equal to 8 square. 8 square is 64. Okay, then x square plus 14 square. 14 square is 196 minus 2 into 14 into x, that is 28x. Okay, plus x square equal to 64. Okay, then x square plus x square, 2x square. 2x square minus 28x. Okay, then 64. 2x square minus 28x equal to 64. Then plus 196, change to that side, minus 196. Okay, then 2x square minus 28x equal to 64 minus 196 is minus 132. Okay, then 2x square minus 20x equal to minus 132. So here we can divide it with 2. So x square minus 14x equal to minus 66. Then how can we solve this? Here we have to take the square of half of the coefficient of x. Okay, x square minus 14x equal to minus 66. Okay, then here the coefficient of x is minus 14. So minus 14 by 2 whole square, which is equal to minus 7 square. Minus 7 square is 49. Okay, so here it will come x square minus 14x plus 49 equal to minus 66 plus 49. So we have to add 49 on both sides. Okay, so here it will come x minus x square minus 14x plus 49 is the expansion of x minus 7 whole square. X minus 7 whole square equal to minus 17. Okay, x minus 7 whole square equal to minus 17. So, ഇവിടെ ഒരിക്കലും സ്ക്വയർ ഒരു നെഗറ്റീവ് നമ്പർ ആയിട്ട് വരില്ല. Okay, so here we cannot find out the value for x. Okay, values for x. Okay, so the perimeter of the rectangle is 28 centimeter and the length of the diagonal is 8 centimeter cannot be made. Okay, അങ്ങനെയുള്ള ഒരു rectangle form ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ല. Okay, so perimeter 28 centimeter and diagonal 8 centimeter cannot be made. Okay, so next sub question, can a rectangle of diagonal 10 centimeters be made? Okay, so here the same way, let us assume that the length of the diagonal equal to 10 centimeter. Okay, so here this is the rectangle. Let the length of the rectangle equal to x and breadth is 14 minus x. Then we can assume that the length of the diagonal is 10 centimeter. Okay, so here also we can use Pythagoras theorem. Okay, base square plus altitude square equal to hypotenuse square. Okay, then x square plus 14 minus x the whole square equal to 10 square. Okay, then x square plus 14 minus x the whole square, that we have already got. What is that? 196 minus 28x plus x square equal to 100. Okay, then x square plus x square, 2x square minus 28x. Then plus 196 we can change to that side. So it will be 100 minus 196. Okay. Then so 2x square minus 28x equal to 100 minus 196, that is minus 96. Okay. Then 2x square minus 28x equal to minus 96. We can divide with 2. Okay. So x square minus 14x equal to minus 48. Okay. Then we have to add one number, that is the square of half of the coefficient of x. For minus 14 alle, minus 14 by 2 whole square, that is minus 14 by 2 minus 7 whole square, which is equal to 49. So we have to add 49 on both sides. Okay, so it will come x square minus 14x plus 49 equal to minus 48 plus 49. Okay, so we have added 49 on both sides. Okay, so x square minus 14x plus 49 is x minus 7 whole square equal to minus 48 plus 49, that is 1. X minus 7 whole square equal to 1. So x minus 7 equal to square root of 1. Square root of 1 is 1. So x minus 7 equal to, we can take plus or minus 1. Okay, so x minus 7 equal to plus 1 and x minus 7 equal to minus 1. Okay, then x equal to plus 1 minus 7 change to that side plus 7. So it will be 8. X equal to 8. Then x equal to minus 1 plus minus 7 change to that side plus 7. So x equal to 6. So here we got the values for x is 8 and 6. That is, then the length of the rectangle equal to 8 centimeter. So breadth will be length equal to 8 centimeter. So breadth will be 14 minus 8. 14 minus x, that is 14 minus 8 equal to 6. 6 centimeter. Length 8 avumbo breadth etra avunathu 6 avunundu. A rectangle with diagonal 10 centimeter can be made. Third sub question. How about a rectangle of diagonal 14 centimeter? Okay. So here the length of the rectangle equal to x centimeter and breadth of the rectangle is 14 minus x. Then let us assume the length of the diagonal is 14 centimeter. Okay, so here it is 14 centimeter. Here also we can use Pythagoras theorem. Okay, base square plus altitude square equal to hypotenuse square. Okay, then x square plus 14 minus x the whole square equal to 14 square. Base square plus altitude square equal to hypotenuse square. Then x square plus 14 minus x the whole square, that is 196 minus 28x plus x square equal to 14 square is 196. Okay, then x square plus x square is 2x square minus 28x, okay, equal to 196 plus 196 change to that side minus 196. Okay, then 2x square minus 28x equal to 0. So 2x square minus 28x equal to 0. We can divide it with 2. Okay, so x square minus 14x equal to 0. Okay, then here the coefficient of x is minus 14. So minus 14 by 2 whole square, which is equal to minus 7 square, that is 49. So we have to add 49 on both sides. So it will get x square minus 14x equal to 0. Then x square minus 14x plus 49 equal to 0 plus 49. Okay, then x square minus 14x plus 49, that is x minus 7 whole square equal to 0 plus 49, 49. Okay, then x minus 7 equal to square root of 49. Okay, then x minus 7 equal to plus or minus 7. Therefore, x minus 7 equal to plus 7 and x minus 7 equal to minus 7. Okay, then x equal to plus 7 and this minus 7 change to that side plus 7. So, it will be 7 plus 7 which is equal to 14. Okay, then x equal to minus 7. Here minus 7 change to that side plus 7. Okay, which is equal to 0. Minus 7 plus 7 which is equal to 0. അപ്പോൾ 0 എന്നുള്ളതൊരു ലെങ്ത് ആവോ? ഇല്ല അല്ലേ? അപ്പോൾ ഹിയർ വി ക്യാൻ റൈറ്റ് എ റെക്ടാങ്കിൾ വിത്ത് ഡയഗണൽ 14 സെൻറ്റിമീറ്റർ കനോട്ട് ബി മെയ്ഡ്. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പോൾ ഏതിൽ മാത്രമായിരുന്നു പറ്റിയിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നത്? ഡയഗണൽ ലെങ്ത് 10 സെൻറ്റിമീറ്റർ. Let's wind up today's session. Hope you have understood what I have taught today. See you in the next class. Thank you. Bye.